Hey there, I'm Sunita, your English tutor. A warm welcome for a fascinating lesson. So today we'll learn what are frequencies. So this is your lesson number 6 from the Rectification course. So without further ado, let's dive deep into the lesson. Let's understand what's the meaning of frequency. Frequency, when we talk about something for how many times that we are talking about. So here I have a question for you. For instance, there are 5 different people and they are giving their answers in a different manner. So let's see, how often do you play football? That's the question. So here, how often? So that is exactly we are asking for how many times. Okay. So first I'll tell you, let's go through about this. Usually if I say twice a week, never, sometimes, every day. So these all words represent frequencies. All right. First, maybe there is a person and he says, I usually play football at the weekend. That means at the weekend, that person is playing football. Next one, I play twice a week, right? So here, that person is talking about 2 times a week, means twice a week. Or you can say thrice a week also, all right? I never play football. Means a person who doesn't play football, maybe that person doesn't like it. Sometimes I play in the evening. All right, sometimes. I play football every day. Now, every day there is a person who is fond of football and he plays every day. Okay, you must be thinking, how we have to use usually, twice a week, never, sometimes, every day. How can we differentiate it? So here I have a very simple diagram for you. A kind of this arrow is going to help you out. So if I say, right, 100% something, when you're talking about always, okay? Always means something you're talking about permanent. Yeah, every time you do that, you like that. Let's take an example. You can say like this, I always swim at the weekend. Always means that time is fixed up for that particular activity. Yeah, so that means 100%. If I say usually, okay, a little bit of less than that, all right, here somewhere around, maybe you can say usually means maybe 90%. Okay, so like I usually play football at the weekend. I usually sleep late at night. Like this way, okay, you can say. Then let's go down a little bit, like sometimes, sometimes you're talking about, sometimes I play football in the evening, and sometimes you can say I play football in the morning. Sometimes the lesser than that, maybe it could be a kind of 50 to 60%. Then I talk about rarely. You are doing that thing again, it is like something less than that. Maybe it's gonna be your gonna be something 30% to 40%, you can say, like this way. Rarely, I rarely go swimming. Rare means a kind of a once in a blue moon, you can say like this. Rarely means I rarely go swimming. Again, that is again less than that. So never is something you're not doing that thing. So I never play football, like this here you're talking about. Or you can say I never go swimming. This is the way. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So it's very simple. Frequencies are helping you just to tell you that kind of activity you are doing for how many times. So this is how. I hope it's clear to you. Now, what you have to do? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe it, if you subscribe, I'll feel over the moon. Okay? All right. I'll meet you again in the next lesson. Bye for now.